to get ready, brush my teeth, wash my face, because I have a pool party to go to. I have to pick up something. I have to exchange something at my job because I got the wrong size. And I may or may not have my niece with me. I don't know if I'm babysitting. We're gonna see. See, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I think it's like, I don't have my phone with me, but I can look on the stove. It's like 11:03 and the pool party start at 12. I still have to go to the store and get the item that I need to bring, which is a case of Gatorade. So I'm about to just go to Dollar Tree. And my hair is currently flat ironed, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do to my hair. It's only like this because of the bonnet, and I don't know how to wrap my hair, so I might do just like a ponytail or something because I don't want to get my hair wet. Oh, not to mention, today is Friday, August 11th, and I have a hair appointment on the 14th, and then my senior portrait photos are on the 15th.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip ride with her.
Okay, so I finished with my hair. It's just a slick back. I don't know. Okay, so this is my outfit. It's really nothing. I'm just about to show up, do a little swim.
Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew.
And this is my exchange that I have to do, so I'm gonna do this probably after I leave the pool thing. This is a medium. I feel like it'll fit me, but I have to change her size, and she got 2, so I'm gonna leave that here. Okay, so I'm about to head to Dollar Tree. It's right down the street from my house, so
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet.
okay, so unfortunately, Dollar Tree did not have no Gatorades. They only had Powerades, and it was those big kind. But I needed to get those small ones, and y'all, I couldn't record because I had to carry it through the whole store.
He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake,
Okay, hey guys, so I didn't vlog at the pool party because, you know, I just didn't do it. But now I'm finna head to my job to do this exchange for the wrong size that I got.
I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely flipping on the period.
Back from the back of a perm. The love you feel it. Keep it.
Okay, so hey y'all, it's a few hours later, like about 3 or 4 hours later after the pool party, but I have to figure out how to put this in there. How do people do this? Like, it's not even going through. Like, what? Oh, I got it. I got it, y'all. Okay, I'm on the way to go pick up my niece. I got the car seat in there. It's buckled in. Don't mind the Gatorades. You already know I have to go get them. I just got this sweatshirt on. I changed a little bit and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get her. This girl know you too. You ain't gonna say hi? Okay. Hi guys, so I'm about to make some pizza for this little one right here.
Hi.
We use this pizza.
I'm about to start it.
And I'm doing laundry at the same time, so don't mind that.
What is this? Did you burn it?
No. Yeah, I was about to touch it with my other hand. Alright, I'm gonna set a timer for like 19 minutes. Yeah.
I love you, Auntie Nono.
I love you too.
Auntie Nono.
No, my dad. My dad's with me. Missy, what happened?
Phone with me. Okay, stop.
Okay, hey guys, it's the next day.
Can I take a picture?
It's Saturday, August 12th. It's like 1:06 p.m. right now. And I'm about to get my niece ready and I'm gonna get myself ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it.
I'm cute. Bye.
Hey y'all, I just got done getting ready. I'm just wearing this top. It's from Aeropostale. Yeah, I just did my hair.
There, Mom.
Alright, come on.
Period.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to the park now. She's in the back seat.
A little car coming. Put off.
No, I can't. Look, it's another car. What did I do?
You just hit the curb.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I didn't, y'all. I swear. There's no curb on my street, but y'all, look at the clouds. That is so pretty.
God, it's so. I can't do it. It's raining.
Not yet. Y'all, so it started raining and she, you know, had a little temper tantrum. You good now? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, I won't be out here in this rain. Y'all, it's very much raining. So, I'm about to drop her off. Say bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun? You didn't have fun?
I did.
Oh, okay. Alright, y'all, I had to put my jacket on because it's raining. But she's gone. I had fun. I wish you could have stayed at the park just a little bit longer because I like the park myself. I am low-key hungry, but I don't feel like getting anything right now. But I'm about to take these shoes off because look what I had on, y'all. But I got some Crocs in my car, so I'm definitely gonna put them on. I'm gonna put those shoes in the trunk because I don't play that. I don't want nobody snatching my shoes. But y'all, it is currently 2:41. We had cereal this morning, but not like morning. It was probably like 11:30 for her. She was asleep for a very long time. Like, I got up before her. So I'm like, that's crazy. My Crocs real quick and put them on. They kind of matched my outfit a little bit. I was trying to be more on the cuter side, but now it look like I just got some leggings on and a jacket. And now I'm gonna have some Crocs on. Look. Oh my god, my windshield wipers is annoying. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.